Let's talk about the interesting area and core area, that's photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is the observation that many metals emit electrons when shine happening due to a light. The electrons emitted in this manner, they are called as photoelectrons. Photoelectric emission is the phenomenon by which a good number of substances, chiefly metals, emit electrons under the influence of radiation such as gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet light, and finally the visible light too. Photoelectric effect was discovered by the great physicist and scientist Mr. Heinrich Hertz in 1887 while working with the resonant electrical circuit, followed by Halbach, Elster and Geichel. They investigated the phenomena with their simple experimental arrangements, which we are going to see it now.